Black Ops 6 Superhero Easter Egg, let's do it. First of all, you'll need the jet gun. If you don't already have it, here's how to do it. Where you spawn, you'll immediately have a motel in front of you, and upstairs, the second door should explode open with zombies inside of it when you go near it. You'll need to do this to activate the first part of the jet gun crafting, which you'll see the crafting table for just inside of this room. From this room, you'll then need to head across and collect 3 items in no particular order. For me, I bought this gate, then further on this gate, which allowed me access to the Flowershop. At the Flowershop, you'll find a tap just in front of it, and you'll need to grab the handle off the top using your interact key. There's no prompt. Then take this key all the way across. The quickest way is through the bank to the bowling area. Inside of the bowling area, you'll be able to hit the panel on the side, put the sprinkler's handle there, and you're able to start cranking it. This is going to take a lot of time, so if you're doing this solo, have decoys or monkey bombs with you. Otherwise, have your friends protect you. Eventually, when you're done cranking this thing for ages, it'll drop you an item on the floor, the water pressure gauge, and with this, we can head across to get the next item, which will be a handbrake. So, unlock your way up to the church. I went up these stairs, and in the graveyard just next to the church, you'll need to hang around in this sort of middle area until the groundskeeper spawns. When you kill this special zombie wearing different clothing, he'll drop you the tool shed key. Take this east of you, through this gate, down this little passageway to the tool shed at the back. Open the door, and to your right on the table, you'll find a handbrake. Then the third and final item are wires, for which you'll find all the way on the far east side of the map, just opposite the comic shop at the radio house. In order to get through this gate, you'll need either a mangler to shoot it for you by baiting them at round 11. Otherwise, you can head to the crafting table just behind the building on the opposite side of the road, and the 6th item on the first tab will be the mangler cannon. You can craft this for 1250 scrap, then hit 3 to activate it, and blow your own way through the door. Then inside you'll see a bunch of scrap piles on the ground. Hit interact on each of them until you find the wires. Grab the wires and head all the way back to the motel from the start of the game. Inside of this room, you'll be able to craft yourself the jet cannon. Now with the jet gun in hand, all you need to do is head just outside this motel, and on the side with the road, which is the north side on top of the motel sign, you'll find a action figure. Hold left click to suck it up, and we'll head all the way across to the northern side of the map where the comic shop is. Open up the shop, head inside, and there are 4 action figures to collect from inside here. One from on top of a small shelf, then from on top of this corner counter, then to your left again on top of a wall-mounted shelf, and further left on top of this shelf by the window. Once you've grabbed all 4 of these, head out and head all the way across to the flower shop, where just up the road we'll need to get up onto the roof. So when you're on this roof here by the air conditioner in the corner, you should be able to grab another action figure from the other side of the street. It's going to take some time. Then once you've grabbed this, head all the way up to the church, where outside to the right, where on the higher left window you'll find yet another action figure. Then once you've grabbed this, turn around and head towards the bowling alley, where you'll find your way on top of the parked bus here. By the Liberty Lanes sign, just underneath the L of lanes, you'll find another action figure. Suck this one up. Then head all the way up to the cemetery, where you'll be taking the zip line all the way back down to this big roof. To your right, there's a barricade that we can blow through. It's just a normal locked door for 750 credits. Once you do this, land on the roof just below you, aim at the aircon opposite you, and just hold left click to suck up yet another action figure. Once you grab this, you've now activated this superhero mode, and you'll just be constantly blasting out lasers, melting everything in your sight. It's a cool little Easter egg, and you can grab all of these but one, so you can keep the superpower for a later point if you need tons of extra damage. Anyways, that's it. For more Easter egg guides, check the description down below. Mine has been Troubleshoot. Ciao.
I am coming to laser it. I am the superhero.